Homitt Butane Torch. This Homitt Butane torch lighter has been fully tested. Always be able to check your culinary torch gas level to see if it's full or running low. Homitt refillable kitchen cooking torch is compatible with any brand of butane. Safety ensured and quality reliable. Comes with a detachable safety stopper which prevents accidental ignition and misuse by children. Long-angled nozzle and burn-free finger guard keep your hands safely away from the flame. True one-handed operation. Truly operate with one hand. The flame regulator and flame lock button are in the reach of your thumb, enabling you to easily adjust and lock the flame with only one hand, and saves time making food, making it easier and faster. More than just a kitchen tool, 2500 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature culinary butane torch satisfies various needs. It's great for turkey, candy, searing meat, bar cocktails, lighting a fire, cigars, dabs, barbecue grills, for camping, and for soldering, craft and artist work such as art resin.